What's up guys, Tyler and Madness here today with my brother, Bubba C with me. Tyler C and Bubba C. We got something fun for you guys today. Check it out. 5T. Now this is, we're not really going to be using this as a gas truck. We are going to be converting this puppy to electric. This is the 2.0 truck, as you can see. And we made the conversion for the other one, but we got to make some updates for it. So we're going to pull this out. We'll show you guys what it looks like, still gas, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in it. So me and my boy Bub, we're going to rip it out of the box here and show you what's up. Alright, we got her out of the box. Check that out. Losi paint job. Pop the cover off here. Give me a hand, Bub. Big. Look at that. Big ass body. Alright, this is what you get out of the box with the 5T, for those of you interested in that. This is coming with the Zenoa 32, I believe. It's a pretty sweet truck. Thing is massive. But we are not going to be running it gas. We're going to be converting this puppy to electric with what we got over here. Let's check it out. Open that up, Bub. Running MGM products. This is the, what's the KV on this one? I don't remember. I think it's the, I think it's like a 875, I think. We got our mount. Where'd that mount go, Bub? Oh, just ran off. There it is. We got our motor mount, as you guys are familiar with. But it has to be, we have to do some few modifications for the 2.0 truck. That's the real reason we're doing this project, to try to get our kit updated to where we can run that motor, our mount, and put our battery tray in without any hitches. So right now the holes are a little bit off, so we're gonna have some fun with it at the same time. I'm gonna be running this bad boy here, the MGM Compro. Check this thing out. Oh my god. Go pull that thing out of the box. Look at this thing. 15S, 800 amps, 63 volts. Look at the fans on this. You know it's business when your wires are bolted on, not soldered. We got 6 wires coming off the back, 2 to each pole. Should match up with our motor nicely. So we got to figure out where we're going to put this thing and what we have to modify for the 2.0 truck for our kit. So we're going to be gutting this whole thing, trying to fit that in there, and try to run it on 15S, which would be 3 5 cells that you have to figure out how to wire up. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to try to keep the brake system in it. That'd be fun, but we'll see what happens there. But yeah, this is just the teaser intro to our next build with the MGM electronics in the 5T 2.0. So me and Bub are going to rip this apart. We'll have part 2 out hopefully soon. We got to do some measuring and stuff and get our motor mounts probably remachined so they fit in here. But yeah, stay tuned for the 15S 5T build.